Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natasha Morrison for those new to my channel. Alright, so today this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, who was gracious enough to send me a lovely kind of fringe like bob wig, which I want to show you guys. Like, I'm absolutely in love. It's giving me Girl Next Door, it's giving me Picnic in the Park, it's giving me Glueless. Put it on, you know, pop a few curls in it. 100% human hair, so you can put heat on it. What kind of made me even want to do this video is funny as well, because I did a TikTok like reel or TikTok post, and I was saying like things I don't like. I want to put the TikTok up somewhere so you guys can see. In that TikTok post I said I really cannot stand girls who wear bonnets outside of their house. I just think it's messy, it's untidy, it's ratchet, it's ghetto. It's just giving me, you didn't have time to do your hair. And in the comments, like, a lot of girls were saying, well, if I'm in a rush and I ain't got time to do my hair, what do you expect me to do? Baby girl, don't put on a bonnet. This is why you have wigs that you can put on. You've got headband wigs, you've got this glueless wig that you can put on, which I'm going to show you guys in a sec. You've got closures. Frontals are a bit more high maintenance, so I get that, but you have so many different options. Even your natural hair, you can slick it down into a low bun or a high bun, like a little messy bun look. If your hair is short like mine, just do your baby hairs, you're good to go. I'm going to show you guys a way in which you can do your hair. You can pop on a wig, it's glueless, it even has an elastic band, so it's secure on your head. You can flick it 2 times. It could be 100 miles per hour winds outside, and this wig is not going anywhere. I'm going to style it for you guys to show you that you can put heat on it. Okay, so Luvme Hair did put wig caps inside of their packaging, and I think most wig companies that you buy, they will always put like wig caps in there. Like, even when I buy like my frontals or my closures or my bundles, there's always wig caps inside there. They'll put 1 pack with 2 inside of them. Okay, so this is the wig. She is bouncy, she is curly, and obviously once the curls start to go down, you know, once I've worn it a few times, product build up, I will wash it, and then I probably have to redo the curls at the bottom. But how gorgeous is she? And what I love the most about this wig is that there's an elastic band inside of the wig. So inside of the wig cap, which I've actually never seen this before, so this is my first time actually having a wig with like an elastic band already sewn inside. Obviously it's got the wig caps with the clips, you've got the hooks on the inside, so if you want to hook these into your hair. Me personally, I don't like these combs because they do like catch onto my hair and they irritate my scalp. So I will probably take off these two at the side. I might keep the bottom one just for security, but I might take it off, especially because it's got the elastic band. This is my, I don't know if I said this already, but this is my first ever wig that I've ever owned with a bang, with a fringe. I haven't had a fringe since I was like in high school, guys. Let me put it on and show you guys how it looks. There is this girl on Instagram who I love, and if you're part of the femininity community, you know who I'm talking about. Her name is Glamour Doll. I'm gonna put her Instagram up here to show you guys her picture, but for some reason this wig is giving me very much her. It's making me feel like all dainty and cute and princess, which is what her vibe is. She has a fringe and she's always looking so like feminine and soft. I'm gonna grab a little bit here at the front to straighten, to show you guys how well this hair straightens as well, because you know sometimes like I bought wigs in the past and I straighten them and they go crispy. Let me show you guys how gorgeous. actually. So I've just kind of started the bang. I put this cute little headband on because I don't know, I just feel like whenever you've got hair with fringe, I really love when you wear headbands. I feel like that's the perfect time to like get a scarf and tie it, or to wear like a cute headband. I love the hair color. Like you guys know, I'm a very natural hair color, natural hair length. I love the fact it's just on my shoulders, it's not too long. It literally took me 2 seconds to put this wig on. Later on tonight when I get home, or when you get home, you can just drag it off, put it in the protective bag, or put it on your wig head, and you go again tomorrow. It's so easy, it's super affordable as well. It's one of their new wigs, and I think it's about, I want to say between $150 to $250 mark. It's for all my feminine girls. If you're a feminine girl, you're on your feminine journey, your leveling up journey, you know, you're looking for a quick drag it on your head. You don't want to be faffing around gluing it down or got to be spray, because there's times where like my edges, I've worked so hard on getting my edges back. I'm very cautious of putting like a frontal on, or even closures. My edges have just grown back from using minoxidil and castor oil, and I don't want to like irritate my edges. So this wig is nice because it literally is so lightweight. I kind of tell that I have it on my head. It feels so lightweight, and it's gonna be me for summer. Like when you see me, you will see this wig. Like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then follow my Instagram, because you guys will see how I'm gonna like wear my cute outfits, my summer dresses. This is giving me a picnic in the park, cute little dresses, cute little handbags, and yeah, it's like my boyfriend's gonna love this wig on me. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and on to my next video. I'll see you guys then, so take care, bye.